mga kayaters! Good evening! So, tapos na po yung yung Singerestos era namin ni Oscar. Yes, nag-vlog kami. Pinakanta ko si Oscar, nag-guest siya sa channel natin. Charvay pag-guesting. Okay, peace out. Hoy, Oscar, that one is hard. Oh my God. Here you are again. Actually, you're so annoying right now. Here you are again. I'm not. What to say? I'm not. I'm talking here. You know. Don't disturbing.
I'm not annoying.
Hoy,
Right,
excuse
guys?
me.
I'm not
Don't
annoying
disturbing me. Okay. Don't
I'm
disturbing
not
me.
annoying, right?
You are so annoying right now. Actually, guys, yes, you are. Please, guys, please. I'm telling you, Oscar is so annoying, right? Right? Did you see that? I'm talking and then pop the pillow into my face. Did you see that? Yeah, I know. You saw that, guys. Yes. You saw? You say? Basta. Good night.